Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is, what is not true about acid phase indicator? Select one. Bromothymol blue can change yellow to blue round. PS7 indicator error occurs when indicator range does not match the titration equivalent pH. Acid base indicator are chemical species themselves. They have different pH values, range, persistent color change, and the answer of the question is the statement that is not true about acid base indicator is bromothymol blue can change yellow to blue around pH 7. Bromomethyl blue change from yellow to blue in the pH range of about 6.0 to 7.6. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.